Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent machinery centrifugal fans enhance the performance of hospital HVAC systems by providing consistent and high-efficiency airflow that ensures optimal temperature, humidity, and air quality control. Our fans improve indoor air quality, reduce the risk of airborne infections, and enhance patient comfort. Customers in healthcare facilities have reported significant improvements in HVAC efficiency and patient satisfaction with our fans. As a manufacturer and service provider, we deliver solutions that optimize the performance and reliability of hospital HVAC systems.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.